Yes, sir. I'm excited for this one. In this video right here, I'm gonna be flipping phones. Hey, you see what I did there? I'm gonna be flipping phones. I flipped the phone. You get it, man. You get it. Sit back, relax, get some snacks. Also hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, cause this is gonna be you know, let me do it one more time. Good. Now, before we actually start buying the phones, there's a couple things that you need to know and to look out for. So number one is make sure the phone is not cracked and is in good condition. If you buy a cracked phone, it's going to take you way longer to sell it than if it wasn't cracked, because no one wants to buy a cracked phone. So make sure that the phone is in good condition, no cracks or anything like that. Number two is make sure that the phone is unlocked with any carrier, because if you buy a phone and it's locked with Sprint, if a customer comes and buys the phone and they're with Verizon, it's going to be a major issue. Number three is make sure that the phone has a clean IMEI number. Now this will make sure that the phone is not reported lost or stolen, because if you end up with a stolen phone, you might be going to jail. I'm gonna just be honest with you, you might be going to jail. So make sure that you always ask for the IMEI number, and then there's a bunch of websites online that you can run a check on it and you can see if the phone is clean or not. Number four is always meet in a public place, because I don't want you guys to get robbed or anything like that. So always meet in a public place with a bunch of people, preferably in the daytime. If you do it at night, you don't know, that's a little suspect. Make sure that you do it in the daytime in a public place so that you're safe. Now that we got those out the way, let's get into my strategy. So basically my strategy for this video is I'm gonna be finding phones for cheap. Let's say I find a phone for like $120, right? My thing is I'm gonna offer like $80, and then I'm gonna take that $80, buy the phone, flip the phone for like $120, and then I keep $40 in profit. But let me not just talk about it, let me pull up my phone so I can actually show you guys. All right, so I'm on my phone right now and I'm on an app called OfferUp. Now for this video, I'm gonna be using OfferUp, and I'm gonna be using another app called Let Go. So that's where I'm gonna be finding the phones at, right? So let's just take a look at some of these phones. This one is $275. Now I'm gonna just type in iPhone, for example. Let's type in iPhone and let's see what actually pops up. So this one, this is for $120. So this is the one that I was talking about earlier, $120, right? Let's see, unlock 32 gigabytes. All right, so look, I'm gonna make an offer for $70 today. So let's actually say $70 in cash today. Boom. So let's actually send that. That's one offer right there. So I'm gonna just go through here and make a bunch of offers, right? So I want to buy as many phones as possible because I got the cash on hand. So I'm gonna just buy as many phones as possible so I can sell as many phones as possible, right? Now if you're just starting off, you're probably not gonna have the money to buy many phones, so just start with what you can. So this one right here is $350, iPhone 8 Plus, factory reset, ready to go. So let's actually make an offer on this. So she's selling it for $350. I'ma go, you know what I'm saying? I'ma go like $275 in cash today. Let's actually try $250. Let's see what she say about $250. $250 in cash today. Boom. Ooh, I just found a good one, man. This one is an iPhone 11 selling for $375. So I'm gonna actually give her, let's actually say $290 in cash today. You know, that's actually a good one. I hope I actually get that one, because I know if I get this for the low, I can resell that one, because everybody looking for the iPhone 11. I just found another one that I'm gonna make an offer on. This one is for $300, iPhone 7 Plus, factory unlocked. So it's no scratches or anything. It comes with a case as well, and he's just trying to get rid of his old phone. So that's the reason why this works so well, is because people are just trying to get rid of their old phone. So if you actually make an offer and be like, I got the cash on hand today, 9 times out of 10 they'll take you up on that offer, because they just trying to get rid of it. They just got a new phone, they just trying to get rid of their old phone. So you can actually make a pretty decent amount of money doing this, but you're gonna see in this video. I can show you better than I can tell you. So let's hit X, and we're gonna say, so he's 300, let's do 230. Let's do 230 in cash today. And let's just scroll through and find one more real quick. So let's just see about this one. This one is $200, iPhone 7 Plus. Let's see, good condition, and it says it's unlocked as well, so that's a good thing. iPhone 7 Plus, let's actually offer him $130 in cash today. So you've seen my process for finding the phones. Now, of course, I'm gonna go back and do some more offers and everything like that. I just wanted to show you guys the process so that you guys can go and do this yourself. But now it's just a waiting game. We gotta wait and see if they reply or not. So I'm gonna hit you guys up when I'm ready to get my first phone. Alright man, so I found the first phone that I'm about to pick up. It's only been a couple hours. Now I'm about to show you guys the details. Alright, so here's the phone that I'm about to pick up right now. As you can see, it's selling for $125, iPhone 6. But I was able to talk him down to $70. Let me actually go to it real quick. Let me just go all the way up. $70 in cash today, right? So I'm about to go meet him right now. Yes, sir. I just copped the phone for $70. Everything looks good. First cop of the day. Yes, sir. I just made my first sale flipping iPhones. Now, it only took me about 2 to 3 days to actually get the phone off me. Now, I actually have the messages. I forgot to take you guys with me. I'm sorry, but I have the messages as proof. Alright, so I'm on my phone right now. Now, I sold the phone through Letgo. As you can see, let me click on it. You can see the phone right here, the iPhone 6 that I bought a couple days ago. Now, I sold it for $100. I bought it for $70. So that's $30 in profit. Now, as you can see, she sent me the money through Cash App because she was like, she didn't have the cash on hand. And then boom, here's all the messages right here as proof. Since I couldn't take you guys along with me, now let me go to my Cash App. Here's the $100 right here. So now from here, it's just a rinse and repeat cycle. So I'm gonna go ahead and find some more phones and get this money. Now, I don't want to bore you guys showing you the same process over and over. So I'm gonna just give you guys a quick rundown. So over the next couple days, I searched for iPhones, and then I finally found the iPhone 7, which I caught for $180, and I sold a couple days later for $215. So you've seen over the last week or so, I was able to sell 2 phones and make about $55 in profit. Now I know that's not the most money in the world, but you gotta think that side hustle money adds up over time. The more phones you buy, the more money you're gonna make. And flipping phones is a pretty simple process. Once you find a good deal, you make an offer, you cop the phone, and then you sell a phone for a higher price. And before I close out this video, I want to give you guys a couple tips to help you guys make more money flipping iPhones. Number 1 is make as many offers as possible. Now me, I was tied up with a couple things this week, so I couldn't make too many offers. But the more offers you make, the better chances you have of finding someone to accept your offer, which means more phones, which means more money. So I recommend at least once or twice a day, check your apps to see if anyone posted a phone, and if they did, make an offer on it. The second tip I have is bundling items together. So let's say you buy an iPhone, right? What you could do is you could buy a charger and a case to go with the phone. You can bundle them all together and you can sell it for a higher price. And I'm telling you, man, you'll make way more money, because who doesn't want a phone that comes with a charger and a case? Like, yo, you're saving them time so that they don't have to go and do it themselves. A lot of business and entrepreneurship just comes down to saving people time. And the third tip I have is learning how to fix phones yourself, right? Now, the reason why I say this is because there's a lot of phones on the market that are cracked and are selling for very, very cheap. Like, people are just getting rid of the cracked screens, right? So if you're able to fix the screens yourself, you could just buy them phones for very cheap and then sell them for a higher price. So if you really want to take this serious and make good money, I highly recommend you learn how to fix screens. But that's all I have for today's video, man. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and got value out of it. Don't forget, Friday I'm doing a giveaway for $100. I'm picking 4 people to win $25 each, and all you got to do to enter that giveaway is to drop a like on this video, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hey, y'all go flip y'all some phones and get you some money. I'm out. I'll catch y'all in the next one.